One Friday afternoon, Sophie comes home covered in snow, and a new letter from Felix is lying on the hallway table. Sophie's school bag drops to the floor, and excitedly she begins to read. North Pole news for Sophie, 33 Elm Road, Mansfield, Ohio, where it's a lot warmer. Mail from your North Pole visitor, Felix. Should we open it, friends? Here we go. February 28th, in an icy landscape. Dearest Sophie, chilly greetings from the North Pole. After I tried pushing every button in the rocket, it finally took off again, and I'm back on Earth. I've landed in the Arctic, one of the white places I saw from space. There's snow everywhere. Can you believe that winter lasts up to 9 months here? I would have gotten mighty cold if Kick Panic hadn't found me. He gave me warm clothes to wear, and we rode on his snowmobile through the tundra. The tundra is an area with frozen ground beneath the snow. But in the summertime, a few flowers can actually grow here. In other places, there's nothing but solid ice for hundreds and hundreds of miles, just floating on the ocean. Just picture this. Yesterday, I climbed up a little snowy hill, but the hill turned out to be a baby polar bear that wanted to play. I ran away because who knows what that mama polar bear would have thought. There aren't too many different big animals that can live in a place this cold, but Kit Panic says there are many creatures here that couldn't live anywhere else. I just learned why walruses have tusks. They use them to heave themselves onto the icebergs where they can lie in the sun. I wish you could see the little seals. They're all fluffy and white. Next week, I will stow away on a ship and hope it brings me back to you. 1,000,000 kisses from your Felix. P.S. I haven't seen any penguins here. Strange, huh? P.P.S. Don't worry. Kit Panic has carefully hidden the moon rocket. Dreamily, Sophie looks up from the letter. Outside, it's still snowing. If she squints her eyes a little, it almost looks as if she's on the North Pole with Felix. Sophie wishes that the seals lived in her backyard. The baby seals would be safe here, Sophie thinks. I'd make sure of it. Later, Mom explains why Felix hasn't seen any of the penguins, because they live at the exact opposite end of the world, at the South Pole. It's still snowing when Sophie calls her friend Joanna with a fun idea. A little later, a bundled-up Joanna rings the doorbell. Sophie quickly puts on her parka, boots, and gloves, and the two of them set to work. A little while later, Dad, Mom, Nicholas, and Lena come to help too. By the time it gets dark, the igloo is finished. It is so big, they all fit comfortably inside. Julius brings a little candle from the house. Flickering shadows dance on the white walls. Dad makes hot cider and serves it to the igloo tenants. Then it's bedtime, and Joanna gets to stay over. When Lena is already sound asleep, there is still whispering and giggling to be heard.